Hey there, fridge owners. If you're staring at that frustrating E0 error code on your 2025 KitchenAid refrigerator, you're not alone. This little glitch can throw off your whole kitchen routine, but don't worry, I'm here to break it down for you step by step. In today's video, we'll cover what the E0 error means, why it happens, and how you can fix it yourself to get your fridge back up and running quickly. First off, let's talk about what the E0 error code actually signifies. In 2025 KitchenAid models, this code typically points to a communication issue between the refrigerator's main control board and its user interface panel. It could be caused by a temporary glitch, a power surge, or even a loose wire. Think of it as your fridge trying to send a message but getting static on the line. Common triggers include electrical interference, outdated firmware, or sensor malfunctions, so it's not always a major problem. Now, let's dive into troubleshooting. Start with the basics. Unplug your refrigerator for about 5 minutes to perform a hard reset. This often clears minor errors and reboots the system. Once it's plugged back in, check if the error persists. Next, inspect the power cord and outlet for any signs of damage or instability. Sometimes, a simple switch to a different outlet does the trick. If that doesn't work, open up the fridge and gently check for any loose connections around the control panel. Be careful not to touch any live wires. You might also want to ensure the fridge's vents are clean and free of dust, as blockages can contribute to sensor issues. For more tech-savvy folks, consider updating the firmware through the KitchenAid app if your model supports it. Double-check your user manual for instructions. If you've tried these steps and the E0 error keeps showing up, it might be time to call in a professional technician. They can diagnose deeper issues like faulty circuit boards or wiring problems that require specialized tools. Remember, attempting complex repairs yourself could void your warranty, so play it safe. There you have it, your quick guide to conquering the E0 error on your KitchenAid fridge. By following these tips, you'll be back to chilling drinks and storing leftovers in no time. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more home appliance fixes. Stay cool, everyone, and thanks for watching.